guys, welcome back to Dina Toy Club. We're here with Marquee and Mommy today. We are checking out this huge Kingdom Builders castle, over 2 feet tall. Marquee, we gonna put this together? And Mommy, you're gonna help us?
Yep.
Alrighty, and it also comes with King X. You ready to get it put together, guys? Let's go.
Yes.
Hey guys, it is time for the DNM Toy Club. Let's go.
This is really hard though. I got one. Got
Oh my god!
Alright, so we got it open. Let's take a look inside.
Whoa.
It's a bunch of pieces, guys. So we're gonna have to put it all together.
Okay, we have all the pieces, all of our screws. More pieces to open. Hold on. Okay. Let's get the big piece. Put the.
Go ahead and pull it out, and then we'll get it started.
Put that over here.
Oh,
Big piece here, you guys.
that's the bottom.
Okay.
And then I love the bottom because look what it does.
We got the instructions.
That much.
Oh my goodness, a bunch of instructions.
Oh my god, what just happened?
One more piece here. I'm gonna put it on the table.
What just happened? Oh, look what? Guys, watch this. Watch in this area.
Oh, that's really cool. I'm gonna get
And then it has
the
a trapdoor,
key.
so if you screw this screw in the back, you can't really see
Yeah.
this trapdoor.
Oh, yeah, let's put it together, and then we'll start playing with it.
I'm gonna get the king out.
You might have to click the sides with the little person.
Here's instructions. But we don't need some dumb instructions. We'll build it ourselves.
We might need.
Oh.
Hold on. More cutting.
Marco, what's his name again? What's the king's name?
King Hex.
King Hex, and he is actually a socket
And
wrench.
for some reason,
It actually works. Don't we have to use him to put together, right?
this comes with the wreck and roller instructions also for the other cord.
Oh, cool.
The wreck and roller. And then it has. Then here's the castle, baby.
All right.
Okay.
Whoa, look at all of these parts and pieces, guys. That's the cannon. I think there's a cannon in there, too.
Yeah, and it also has a harpoon. And look at this King Hex figure.
Yeah, transform him. Show the kids how to
So you
transform.
push down his head. Then you put this on.
Cool.
Connect the feet. And
Alright.
then let's try it on builders.
Okay, let's go ahead and build the castle.
And then we
Okay, so show them how the King Hex works, because he's an actual working
screw.
tool.
You put this thing on top of
What? Awesome. You gotta make it tight. You gotta go the other way, sweetheart.
Hold on. Leave it.
There we go. Yeah, see? There you go. Then you tie them.
Okay, so
First, balcony.
we're gonna put the balcony on top.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh my god, look at this. That is the box of magic.
Let me see that. Show everybody at home. That's like a big, yeah, it's a treasure book.
The back should try it.
And remember that the Kingdom Builders is they have a YouTube channel too, where they've got their animated series on YouTube.
Okay.
Wait, there. Yeah, screw
Okay, go ahead, put it on the side there, guys. I think it goes to that side there. Cool. Now you use the screw, and then remember, yep, him, or you can use the other prince. You got the Prince Philip. Yeah.
That one doesn't really work.
Does it go?
Yep, you have to turn it off. Marquee, turn it off. Cool, use that power drill to drill it in.
Over here.
That's not supposed to be.
Oh, different things. We have a dragon thing.
That goes on the very top.
Okay.
See?
Okay. Well, we can copy the box.
Yeah, take a look at how the box is set up. It shows
Okay.
you.
So we got.
It doesn't have to be the same kind.
Sure, right. We could just start off with. Let's put it
Wait,
up.
this is supposed to be an extra piece.
Which one?
This gets connected. Oh.
So we kind of changed the setting, guys. We thought this will be better. We're going to put this guys together.
Yep, go ahead. You guys can attach those two.
I think we're going to redo this part. We have many ways. Again, this is not a set way to do this, guys. And you can do it any way you want. Just don't forget to use your tools.
You gotta use your imagination. You could build this Marquee so many different ways, man. That's what's so cool about the Kingdom Builders.
Ow!
Okay, so look, I'm gonna put this on top, so it's a little race.
And then watch,
Cool.
guys.
All right.
Watch.
And this,
So the bad guys are like, it's the chest, the tools, and then this opens up, and then throws the chest down to here, and then but the bad guys get trapped in here. This goes down and closes on them.
Oh.
that's what's the name of the
All
bad
kinds
guys?
of.
Bashers.
They're the bashers, yeah. I think you guys are the builders right now because you're building.
Oh, this is so. You don't screw this on.
Okay,
This stays on it.
go ahead. Onto the platform.
There you go. That's good. And then you guys can put the platform back on.
Okay.
There you go. Cool, guys. You put that one on. And then we'll get the other pieces attached. Take your time, Marquise.
But wait
It's really a cool set, actually.
a minute.
So is that the that's King? That's the King, right? King Hex, yes. It's pretty easy to put together, huh, Mark?
It is really easy.
All right, guys, you guys start almost getting done, huh?
Oh, he doesn't fit there. He's too big. He needs to be here.
Is that a cannon? Oh wow, that's a cannon. That works too, doesn't it? I think you just shot the ball across the room, didn't you?
Yeah, I shot the ball into my leg.
Okay, go get it. Show. Oh my.
Go ahead, do your.
I like Pink Hex better.
You do?
Yeah.
I think I love him. He is super cute.
Prince Philip, you love
Oh,
princes.
Shula!
He's a prince, you know. This is his part that looks really cool. This dragon. And we need to put it here like
Oh, cool. Let me see that dragon. Yeah, hold it right there.
Should I put the harp?
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. It goes right on top, I think.
yeah.
Does that cannon work, right, Marks?
Yep, it works.
Yeah, press it. We'll take a look to show how it works.
You can also use your hands sometimes, guys, if you want to use your hands to just put the screws and then to tighten it, you can
Whoa.
use the tools.
I just shot the can,
Yep,
guys.
that's the thing about the Kingdom Builders is using
Guys.
the characters to build
The
the
evil
entire
bird.
castle. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
The evil bird.
Like here, but that doesn't go there. Marco, what does this do? Oh.
Oh, that comes down off the top. Yeah.
Nice.
See, that way, that's where all the bashers. That's where all the bashers. Oh, there you go.
And we finally got a really cool girl knight. She is.
That's a princess, I think.
Oh, princess. What? There is a.
Oh yeah, it's got like a little like a rocket or something, like an arrow.
Trying it with Mr. Phillips. Yeah.
One of the bashers is attacking. No. No. Ah! His bird goes on. His bird.
And this is what you get.
And then
Whoa! Do that again, mommy.
and then Kumar
And-
gets on there, and then ah!
This is what you get.
That thing shoots pretty far. Yeah, we already checked out the cannon. There's a little
this
cannon
one
on
is
here
a
too.
little dose of
Nacho, are you in the mood? No, Nacho, watch out, Nacho. Our dog Nacho is here.
So
Nacho.
I know.
Nacho.
Hey.
Nacho.
Nacho, what are you doing, buddy? We're trying to do a video. Here, get over here, buddy.
Try to show people about the
There we go.
kingdom building.
Let me get started. There you go. Go ahead, buddy.
guys, we can put this from build piece onto the
Hold it
castle.
still. Let me see what that is. That's from the builder piece. That's that big lion guy, right? Now, where do you add it on the castle?
So we should put it right here.
Oh, cool. So the really cool thing is that all of these different holes are different places that you can add all of these different attachments and rockets and things.
I need the sword
And the cannons too. How does the drawbridge come down?
The drawbridge? You hit it with the target.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
That is really neat.
Guys,
Wait a minute, there's another one there. What does that window thing do? What is that one? What? Look at that.
it opens. It closes.
Oh, that's like a chamber or something for the bashers.
Watch.
Can we put a
dungeon.
battery there?
Yeah, put a basher in there. That's like where the dungeon goes.